Have you watched every single episode of Mystery Tech?
Oh,
I haven't.
I hope not.
Yes! Oh, you hit the light. He hit the light.
See,
Can we confirm that he just hit the light? Here, I'll just whack it real quick.
Oh my God. Here, no, go. Do your thing.
Okay.
Do your thing. I'll just.
Thank you. I'll go really fast. Oh my God, it's an Azeron. Wait, I just realized. No.
Yeah! This is straight from my WoW guild. They said you gotta have this on here.
If you've never heard of an Azeron, congratulations, you're not a nerd. The Azeron is a keyboard, I guess would be the best way to describe it, but it's really like a one-hand wonder.
I like that the box matches my crew neck.
Each one of these, in case you can't tell, is a mechanical key switch. Yeah, who wants to touch a person when you can touch your WoW hand?
I think
Here, you got an extra hand. You want to try it?
I think they're red.
Oh, wait.
Let us set this up, and I don't know, maybe we'll get a ladder so Ken can finally come down from this. I'm gonna try CS2 real quick.
All right.
I don't think this is gonna work. This Azeron is not meant really for a shooter like CS2. Oh God, it needs to hit B. Where's B? Was B any of my keys?
No.
Oh God, I hate that. That's weird. So I'm pushing up on the stick.
This here has the, like, when you do like a joystick like this, it acts like mouse turning without having to do mouse turning. You didn't map anything to anything.
It's telling me to reload my gun. I don't know how to do that.
Press R.
I'm cheating, I don't care.
What? You can't just abandon the whole thing.
We won. See, I did it. I was successful by not using this at all. What? Wow. That was terrible. That was terrible.
I just
cannot
killed
believe how
someone.
bad you. I understand that if you play games such as WoW, that this could be very useful, and that your guild has recommended this, and you have yet again bought yet another one on Mystery Tech, and to try to take this home.
That's exactly what happened.
But guess what? I'm actually a huge fan of it. I'm gonna take it home myself.
Perfect.
Well, since you love it so much, do you want to know how much it costs?
These things are really expensive.
The grip tape on here.
That was extra?
Yeah. And then we got the stand with it. It's magnetic.
Oh my God.
Alex, how much is it?
It's roughly $260.
$260. That's a keyboard and a mouse.
Oh.
Did you guys try this yet?
Oh my God. Nope. Wow.
do that.
That
Don't
did
show
not
that.
even hit.
We'll do it again.
I believe in you. You know what? That was actually a clean throw. This is the Woojer Vest 4.
Okay, so I would like to let you know
Yes.
that they are sponsoring us.
Hey! Okay. So we've got ourselves the vest itself.
They redesigned it so that it's a lot more comfortable. They have a lot more sizes to accommodate different body sizes now.
Yeah. Okay, so now that I have strapped up the vest, I am now paired with Bluetooth from my phone, just as a demo, and I actually have my headset paired to the vest. Whoa, oh yeah, that works. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Do you hear it?
Yeah, we hear the vibrating and a little bit of the crinkling.
So I was actually, like, I'm impressed that, I heard nothing when you first started.
What it's doing here is essentially it's taking the audio and it's filtering it down for the bass. So one of the things, if you were gonna do this in a game, for example, you probably actually wanna go in and turn some of the music down and turn some of the sound effects up, because essentially as it's feeling that sort of bass, it is sort of vibrating you, and based on where it is. So I'm just listening to stereo right now, so I'm kind of feeling it left to right. But if you have some kind of surround sound, you'll be feeling up, down, and sort of a variety of sensations. It does kind of feel like I'm at a concert, and there's like a big ass sub that's like right beside me, and you kind of feel like, but also I can turn the intensity down too if I want. Whatever you're playing right now is like a giant, I feel like I'm like sitting on a wave of bass.
We're brown noting you.
Oh!
It's literally just a bass
Oh! This is probably gonna be the ultimate way of doing it. Obviously, you can use this with like a sim racing setup or any kind of thing, but I think VR, hardwired into it for minimal latency, actually is gonna be sick. How much are they charging for it right now, right? It's a lot less than it used to be.
Yeah, so this is the V4. The V3 cost $500, but they worked really hard to bring the price down. The price is now $350.
This thing is really cool. So if you want to check it out, definitely be sure to head over to woojer.com/Austin. Also have some links in the description if you want to check it out at like Costco and Best Buy and whatnot. But I gotta say, man, this thing is really, really cool. I feel like I'm living in the future. Why are there so many things on it? No, I caught it.
Okay, he doesn't want that one.
Oh, a Ulefone?
What?
Dude, The Ulefone company love to send us stuff, and we can't stop including in Mystery Tech. So if you're unfamiliar, Ulefone is a manufacturer of mega chungus durable devices, and this is the Armor 34 Pro. This feels like way heavier than it should be. And there we go, the Armor 34 Pro, which is a 25,000 milliamp hour battery.
That's as much battery as you can have legally on a plane.
Uh-huh. Do you see now?
Girl, that's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
For context, an iPhone Air.
Yeah, you want
What the f is that?
There you go. There it is.
That's your second screen, buddy.
Woo!
Is that a projector built into a phone?
That is correct. That is a 150 lumen projector.
For context, an iPhone Air weighs 175 grams. This weighs 825. I think if I push this button, I'll turn the LEDs. Intense lighting may cause harm to the eyes. Is everyone ready for harm to the eyes?
Great.
Just be the flash.
What?
Oh, never mind.
What?
Whoa.
The entire back
Oh my God.
just lit up. It's actually hurting our eyes.
Now we're running with night vision.
Okay.
So I can see you.
I still can't see you because I'm blinded.
The most important thing I want to try here is the projector. There we go,
Yeah,
Okay,
sick.
so one thing you can see is the brightness. It is at like 20% right now. Should we crank it?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
Oh my God, that's bright.
Wait, what the heck?
What?
The first listing's Austin McGill.
I'm not even on the first page? What the f? This is honestly so much better than I thought it was gonna be. This is cool. I struggle to think about the person who wants to carry a phone that almost weighs a kilo.
A researcher in the Antarctic who has limited access to technology.
How many people live in Antarctica? Wait,
Actually,
hey, Meta.
a fair amount.
I mean, this is the most extreme phone I've ever seen.
Oh, can you?
Is there a taser on this thing?
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
I knew the Mystery Tech would end up like this at some point. So, my friends, if you two...
Why are you right next to my crotch?
Alex, how much does this Ulefone cost?
It costs 700 USD.
It's actually not that bad.
That's
considering
not
all the
that
stuff it's
bad.
That's
got.
actually
Yeah.
kind of okay.
You know what? This is worth going to jail for.
What?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Oh my god, you actually opened it without preamble and trying to guess it?
We've never seen this. It's like, it very rarely
Yeah, the amount of
happens.
focus you just showed is...
Yeah. Maybe if you showed this type of focus for the rest of the video, we'd actually get to the package.
Okay, fine. You know what? That's a challenge. Hello and welcome to Serious Tech with me, Austin Serious Evans.
Oh, this is not the right item for that.
This is not serious. We'll try that one next time. Okay, so I understand the concept of a balance board. It seems like a very healthy thing to do. It's got a 3D sensor and games on your phone. So we have a pump, which I guess you have to pump up your ball.
It's not mine, baby, I swear.
Okay, so we've got the base plate.
That looks heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh. Oh, why does that look awesome?
Oh, it's so.
really
Wait, can we
tough
watch
like
it?
that?
Watch it wiggle. Watch that, just that vibration. So we've got the extra bumpy side and the partially bumpy side. So let's try this thing. So we're gonna do traffic racer. All right. So I gotta pass 7 cars. Oh, geez. Okay. Oh, whoa. So right, left. Okay, stay in the center. Okay, go right, but not too much. Oh, we're going fast now. Oh, no. Oh, you can go forward and backward to go faster. Oh, should I crash? I mean, it's actually not bad. Okay, so I'm going slow, but my car is smoking right now. I'll go right, oh, I only got 3 cars. I actually don't hate this. I'm not normally a guy who's for more gimmicky stuff like this, but it does actually work fairly well. And obviously you can do other things like, push-ups and downward dog.
Downward facing dog, don't besmirch.
How much is this GoBalance Sport?
I mean, keep in mind all the fun you just had.
I did have a lot of fun.
Yeah. It was $100.
Actually, that's about
Okay,
the
I thought it
number.
was
I
worse.
That's not bad.
I mean, it's probably like you could get something similar without the app for probably like 30, 40 bucks. It's not the world's most revolutionary thing. I do think you should actually plan on casting it to a TV because holding your phone is not a good experience. But if you want to gamify your workout, it's a cheap way of doing it and it actually kind of works. I was straight for a second, but I'm losing it.
Ooh, me in college.
Oh my God.
That was
I was
just-
really hoping you'd catch that one.
What is, oh, whoa. Wrist camera. So this is like an old Casio watch that has a digital camera on it?
For when you want to be James Bond.
This supports Windows 95, 98, NT, as well as Mac OS something. So can I take photos with my super cool watch?
Correct. This is the world's first camera built into a watch.
Of course Casio would do this. That sounds exactly like a thing Casio would do. Like, hey, what if you could take pictures from your watch? Actually, wait, hold up. That's actually really small. Look at the size of that camera. That actually just looks like a modern, like, tiny baby digital camera. It's got a CMOS sensor, 16 grayscale display, image memory 100, IR beam. So that was the other thing. This is a wireless device. So you don't plug this into serial, right? This is just the like glorified remote control. It will send the photo via IR, you know, like a Game Boy Color or a TV remote. Oh, it's just on. Okay, so someone has clearly put a new battery in it. Dude, that looks badass. That looks so cool. So we have a bunch of buttons. So we have reverse, forward, info and effect, mode, select, adjust, and set. So you have 5 buttons on the side, and then you have the shutter / IR beam for this button here. So I push it. Oh, I'm recording. Oh, it's taking a photo? Oh, I've got the viewfinder. So you can see here, it is a very low quality LCD display, but you can see what's going on. So if I'm gonna walk over here and take a photo of Matt, can you see that tiny photo of Matt?
Actually, it looks good.
Push camera. Wait, oh, I've gotta wait 35 seconds for it to finish saving Matt's photo.
That tracks. It said it can do 100 photos.
Yeah.
That's a lot of photos for back then.
And plus buffer too, no
Yeah,
less,
like-
right?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gorgeous.
That's actually a lot of detail.
I'm surprised by that.
So when it retailed, you were able to buy it
Yeah.
for $250.
Wait, that's really, what?
Okay, but
That's
$250 in
A lot of that's like
2000
probably $500 back in 2000, 2001.
Yeah, that's pretty close to $500 US
Yeah.
back in 2000.
And I'm assuming that we paid significantly less than $500 today.
Yes, we paid significantly less than the $500 that it would have been worth.
Yep.
We paid $240. So still technically a discount. Hey, this
Paid
was,
retail.
this
You know
was-
what?
This was the best condition and in complete inbox that I found. That I
I
could
did
find.
not know that this existed. This is cool. This
How
is
do you
cool.
feel having it on your correct wrist?
True.
I'm a right-handed boy
Yeah.
who likes to put my watch on my right hand because as a right-handed person, I want to pick up my right hand to check what time
Yeah,
it
you
is.
like
No,
that
but that's
very
wrong.
If you too would like a camera on your wristwatch, on whichever hand you feel is more comfortable, then boy oh boy, has Casio got you covered from 25 years ago.
You know what the worst part about you is?
What's that?
You got them chicken legs that aren't very good for
What do you mean I've
nothing.
got chicken legs?
got the-
These are perfectly
Oh, yeah, that- yeah.
regular
Proving the
sized
example.
legs because I
I've
want to
seen
look good.
skateboards that are curvier than you.
Well, you're ugly.
Whoa, that was uncalled for. What?
The Hypershell Mountain Skeleton. Oh, I've seen Carter PC do this. Oh, shit. Whoa, this is expensive. Wait. Did they send this?
Nope.
Nope.
No.
Nope. I bought this
We don't
with your
have
money.
connections.
So I do like the fact that it comes like a little carrying case because my assumption is that this is a thing that requires some setup and assembly. So this is a 72 watt hour battery. So the battery, which I assume just clips on. Some USB, wait, you charge this thing via USB-C? God, the future really is great. And then this is it. This is the whole Hypershell. It's just one unit. Oh, well, some dinguses on the bottom. Who wants to help me strap it up? Actually, no. If this is a good product, you should be able to take it out of the case, pop it out, and be good to go by yourself. Okay, I am strapped up. That actually was pretty much dead on right out of the box. Okay, so it is off right now. So for context, I still have freedom. Look at that.
Why?
Why were you good at that?
I can also tell you that it seems to have no charge whatsoever, and I might need to let it charge for 2 to 3 hours before I'm ready to be a superhuman. After allowing my Hypershell to charge, I'm going to start walking, and it's going to learn how I walk. Oh,
It learns
holy
your feet?
that's weird. It's basically like tugging my legs up. Now there's 4 levels, so you can double click to increase or
go
triple
to 4.
click.
Go
Okay,
to 4.
so
Go to 4. Go all the way.
okay, so this is more. Oh, whoa, holy shit!
It's a
Whoa, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much.
experimental features. Yeah, sure, whatever.
Dude, you know what I can
We
do?
can set resist. Oh, wait, so it could be the other way. We can set resistance for you.
Dude,
I'm gonna set it to 100%.
okay,
100%. Go.
okay. Oh,
That's what it feels like to be us.
give me the beans again.
I'm gonna give you 100.
Okay. Why don't we take this outside? I feel like I want to take this outside.
Yes, on the where the ground is harder and
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, now.
Come on. Come on.
Okay. So I'm outside. This is at 1% right now?
It's 1%. You want me to increase it?
Yeah.
All
Give me
right.
more.
55.
Whoa. Okay. We high stepping.
People don't run like that. It is weird. I'm sure that the camera doesn't pick it up, but we hear just like
Yep.
every time he's doing
All right, 100%.
Whoa.
I could beat him in a race. Oh, there
Okay.
you go. That's the way to go. Yeah. Look
He's
at him.
so much faster now.
Oh my gosh, actually though.
And I will say, I'm not that out of breath because it's doing most of the work.
100% resistance.
Okay, let's see how fast I can go with this. I can't lift my legs high enough. Holy shit.
Why did you get a little butt jiggle at
Here, watch. I'm not doing this. It really does speed you up. It really does slow you down if you turn on the resistance mode. I feel like one of y'all need to try this.
Okay. Start me
Okay.
at 1.
Just walk a little bit. Okay, it looks like you're ready to go.
Oh.
Okay. So you are now at 10%. So just walk, do your thing.
Bro, you are over exaggerating.
That's 100%.
Let's go. Bro, you are so over exaggerating. What do you mean? What do you mean, Austin?
Wait, Ken can go that fast? That was an option this whole time? He's gone. I will say that this thing is actually one of the cooler items we've tried on Mystery Tech for a while. Well, that's probably not important. So here's the thing. How much is this high quality exoskeleton which keeps running faster and faster?
This one, which again is the lowest tier of the 4 versions they have,
Yep.
was $1,000.
So you're okay with me getting the higher ones now, right?
$1,000?
Because I think they had one that had was like 3K.
Even if you move 1 tier up, it doubles the power.
I don't think I need any more power
We
than
could
this.
double. Oh, we could double the power.
Yep.
This is more power than I need. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling. If you'll excuse me, I'm going to go sprint off into the sunset.
People don't run like that.
See you later!